Good morning. I always have these little baby fuzzy hairs, so don't pay any attention to those. I'm just making my coffee. The boys are eating their breakfast. It's 7 o'clock exactly. Like I said, I'm making my coffee. So today the boys just have a regular day of school. I have to go do breakfast trays, at their school this morning. And then Evan has his Halloween party at preschool, which I'm thinking he's not going to want to wear his costume. But I'm going to try anyways. I have a couple other costumes that he might want to wear instead, but I really want him to be the little bat because it's so cute. But, yeah, so that's what we're doing this morning. Nothing super exciting. So I'm going to just do what I do, and I'll talk to you later. So I'm at the school in the kitchen. This is what it looks like. And there's a spider in the sink. And because I'm a sadist, come on. Are you Munchkin? Munchkin, Evie. Come on, Evan. Cheese. Cheese. There you go. Evan, do you like your costume?
No.
Should we go to preschool? But you're so cute. Let's go preschool. So I'm doing some laundry. It is 9:53, so I gotta go in about 20 minutes to go to see Evan's class party and like have some goodies and stuff. I'm watching Once Upon a Time. That's Kittens. This is Weston's, and somebody is at my door. Nobody comes to my door. What the heck? So it was Jehovah's Witnesses at my door trying to get me to go to church, and they gave me like a little, the Watchtower magazine thing. I have nothing against it if that's what you believe. It's just not personally my thing. And I tell them that all the time too, because they always seem to come to my door, and I always tell them, oh, it's not really something I'm interested in. I'm very, very polite about it, but they just don't seem to take the hint. So that's who that was. So I just got out of the bath. This is a good angle. It's 7:30, or sorry, 4:30. Wishful thinking. Kaden is in my bed on the tablet. And I am too lazy to make a supper. So I asked Kaden if it was okay to have PB&J. And he's totally fine with that. So they're going to peanut butter and jam for supper. I suck. But in all honesty, I'm kind of not feeling that great. My stomach, I'm hoping it's not like it was last week. So, yeah. Like I said, 4:30. I don't think much else is going on today. What do you think? Are you doing anything else today? Caden?
No.
No?
I don't think so.
Do you still have your underwear on?
I think so.
You think so? His jeans are like, where's jeans? His jeans and stuff are all right here. His shirt's right here, plus his popcorn bucket, and he's in my bed. I don't know why he does that. He gets like all of his clothes off when he climbs into my bed. Except his underwear. So, like I said, just, oh, you guys got bagels too.
Mm-hmm. We're going to have bread or something. I don't know.
Just bread for dinner?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
No.
What do other people do when they're too lazy to make supper. I guess they probably order out, but or order pizza. We don't have any places.
You could get.
Excuse me. We don't have any places to order pizza from in
Well,
town.
we could get some of that chicken from Askew's.
We could, but I just had a bath, so.
Well, you could wait until you get dried up. And hi, everybody.
It's like fried chicken from our one grocery store.
The only one in town.
And it's so expensive. It's really good, but it's really expensive, and I don't even want to go anywhere. It's raining and gross out. So that's just doesn't seem to be in the plans today. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a YouTube video to watch or something.
So lazy. See?
Lazy.
Evan is downstairs. I'm not sure what he's doing. I think he's on the Wii. And Weston's on the computer. Excuse me. I'm even too lazy to make like Kraft dinner, which is macaroni and cheese. We call it Kraft dinner in Canada though. And I realize it's like the brand, but that's what we call it. I'm even too lazy for that. That's lazy. So I think that we're probably done for the day, and we will see you tomorrow.
And yeah, everybody, October is almost over because we only have October 29th, October 30th, October 31st. We only have 3 more days of Vlogtober left, so hopefully the last one will be quite spooky and quite good. So, see ya.
Tomorrow's Grandma's birthday.
Oh, really?
I already gave her present. Okay, bye.